Howdy y'all, Fuzzy Biker here in somewhere in Utah. Check out this brand new Himalayan here. This one's all kitted out. So this is a Royal Enfield Himalayan 452, the brand new with the Sherpa engine. I mean, just check this hot rod out. And you know, 21-inch front tire, 40 horsepower engine, 30 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, it's just got it all. It's about 40 Newton meters. Look at that thing, massive tire. The bigger tire's got a 140, 70-140 on the rear now. A little more ground clearance. More suspension travel on the back, monoshock. They cleaned up the bottom so there isn't that link sticking down anymore. Upside down forks, 43 millimeter I think. Look at this thing. This one's got the engine bars. It's got the touring mirrors. It's got the tall windshield right here. I'm trying to steal that, but nobody seems to want to play along. It's got the touring seat. That's something I really would like to have when I get one. It's got the bags on it. This bag here is big enough to put a helmet in, a full face helmet in. Isn't that something? That is the salt color, I think it's called. Just look at that thing. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. We're going to put some miles on that hot rod. Wahoo! Howdy y'all, Fuzzy here. Look at this one. This is the Royal Enfield Himalayan 452 Rally model. Check out the rear end. The seat, this area through here. I don't know if that's any different. It's got, it looks like a different area here, but it's got this pad here. It's got the aftermarket mirrors. It's got a different windshield on it. They put this on it. It's got hand guards. Aren't those neat? Look at those hand guards. Wow. Black wheels. This one has black wheels for some reason. We don't know why yet. Oh, it's got the engine guard kit. Check that out down there. The different engine bars and the different engine guard on the bottom. Radiator protector, the metal one. Look at that. Isn't that cool? I like it. I like it. That looks different too. I don't think it is actually. Oh, yeah, it is. It's very different. Wahoo. Chevy?
It ain't much, but it'll do for tonight.
I got everywhere.
Having a hamburger for supper last night.